Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to move a SharePoint list to another site in 2025. SharePoint is an essential tool for businesses and teams to manage data, but sometimes you need to reorganize things for better efficiency. Whether you're shifting lists for a project or company restructuring, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, ensure you have the right permissions. You'll need to be a site owner or have at least contribute rights on both the source and destination sites. This will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Log into your SharePoint site and head to the Site Contents page. Locate the list you want to move. It's usually listed there for easy access. Step 2. Once you're in the list, go to the Settings menu. Look for the Save List as Template option under List Settings. This creates a template file that you can download. If you're comfortable with advanced tools, you could use PowerShell commands for a more customized export, but we'll stick to the basics here. Step 3. Now, navigate to the new site where you want to move the list. Again, go to Site Contents and select Add an App or New. Upload the template file you downloaded earlier. Step 4. After uploading, create the new list from the template. SharePoint will import all the data, including items and columns, so your list should look pretty much the same. Step 5. Finally, double-check everything. Open the new list to verify that all data has transferred correctly. Watch out for any custom fields or permissions that might need tweaking. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like missing data, make sure your SharePoint version is up to date for 2025 features. It's always a good idea to test this in a non-production environment first. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your SharePoint list. This method keeps your data intact and saves time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.